Hello, I'm Joseph, here at Nalo Solutions. Welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we looked at how to schedule SMSs on the Nalo Solutions portal. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to send bulk SMSs to our contacts. What are bulk SMSs? Bulk SMSs are informational or promotional content we send to our contacts via the SMS channel. Here is how to send bulk SMS on the Nalo Solutions portal. Visit app.nalosolutions.com. Log in with your username and password. Just after logging in, you'll be redirected to the Nalo Solutions portal's dashboard. On the dashboard, select SMS and go to Bulk SMS. At Bulk SMS, you can choose or select your contacts file. The contacts file contains the list of contacts you want to send SMSs to. So you upload a contacts file. After uploading your contact file, the system will validate to check the valid contacts and the invalid contacts. Choose your sender ID. Type your message. From here, I am using a message that I've already saved on the portal. You can check here to learn how to save messages on the Nalo Solutions portal. After checking and seeing everything is perfect, you can check your mobile screen to look at how messages will appear on your recipient's end. For me, everything is very good here. Then you hit on send to complete the sending SMS process. If you have any questions, comments, queries, you can shoot me an email at jabiku@nalosolutions. Alternatively, you can send me a comment down here in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. I can't wait to catch you the next time. Bye.